up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shelby, aka Simply Shelby. Welcome back, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Shelby. Today we got a loungewear haul. I got a lot of stuff back here, which I'm excited to show you. I've been collecting these loungewear items, so a lot of them I haven't tried yet, so I'm really excited to show you. I feel like loungewear sets, especially cute loungewear sets, are like the mood, it's the vibe, it just elevates your look. So if you're interested in seeing what pieces I have and how they look and maybe fit, if you're interested in getting them yourself, I'd love it if you stay tuned. I got some brands like SLA The Label, we got a little bit of the girls bathroom apparel, we got some Comfee, we got Prettylittlething, we got a couple of Adanola leggings, we got a lot. I feel like there's just a lot of random up in here. So if you want to see the cute loungewear sets that I got, if you're trying to stay cute and comfy and at home, this is the haul for you. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. If you would like, join my Shell Squad, turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling my vibe, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first pieces we are gonna try are the Adanola leggings, which I will try on. I got the pale gray and black, which if you like Adanola leggings and Adanola, they are like an active lifestyle type of brand, a UK based brand. I'll link my video above or below because I did do a haul on Adanola leggings before. But yeah, I got a couple more leggings from them because I really like them. So I'm gonna try these on and show y'all what they look like. Okay, so the first pair of leggings I have on are the black pair. I got them in a size small. Yep, size small. So I got their other leggings before and I didn't buy black, which is surprising, but I got the black. And what you notice about them is they have the Adanola logo on the back here and they have a little V shape. And these are how the black look. So they're super comfy, super like buttery and nice and soft. So I would definitely recommend the Adanola leggings if you just want like a nice casual everyday legging. The other legging that I got from Adanola are these pale gray color. Again, it has like the high waistline. They're very buttery and soft. I got these also in a size small. They have the V back here again and the Adanola logo. So these are the pale gray. I have the dark gray, but I wanted the pale gray because, I don't know, I felt like they look super cute. And also to wear with like the leggings, I have another. I bought this top, which is funny because it just came in the mail today, but this is from Prettylittlething. So it's like a, what is it? Lightweight, like cardigan kind of distress with like a little hood. So I got this to wear casually because I don't know, I wanted something like this. And I'm just gonna put it on over my tank top. So this looks really cute. It's from Prettylittlething. I actually got it in like the plus size section because I think it was only in plus, but it's a size 16. So it's a distressed zip knitted cardigan, and I'll be linking everything down below. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, you can pick them up yourself, not sponsored or affiliated, but just if you want them. And then, so the cardigan, you actually, it's like a two-way zipper, I believe. So let's zip it up. So here it is, and I think you can go like this too, hold on. Yeah, so it's like a two-way zipper. So you could do like this type of thing, leave it open, you know. I have a tank top under, but you could definitely go like just bra or just do like this. And then, I don't know, I've just been wanting one of these two-way tops. So this looks really, really cute. And with the leggings, like we are in business. So this is a really, really cute, and it's really soft. So that I will have to say, it's really, really soft and comfy. And here is the hood. So yeah, this was the little leggings, and then we have the little cardigan set right here from Prettylittlething. And the next thing we're gonna try on, I'll show y'all. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna try are the 30 years set. So I was really excited to get this set. I was waiting for it. It's by Katie, who's an influencer or like beauty makeup guru on YouTube. She released this brand called 30 Years, and it's called like the uniform set. So it's like a shirt and like sweat shorts. So I got the color cool shade, and these are what the shorts look like up close. And we got the t-shirt here. This is what it looks like, the little 30 years. I got the t-shirt in a size medium and the shorts in a size small. So we're gonna go ahead and try the 30 years set on and show y'all what they look like. Okay, so first we got this 30 years set. Well, not first, but we got the 30 years set. Oh no, I got some lotion on it. I tried to put some lotion on because I feel like my knees are dry and crackly these days. But yeah, here's a 30 year set. So I kept my tank top on, but the shorts are nice and thick. So I do like the thicker waistband. The shirt is like, here it is all the way down, a size medium. So it's nice and like oversized. And this cool shade color is really, really cute. I feel like it would go well with my Adanola pale gray leggings. But yeah, this is the 30-year set. Bottoms in a size small, top in a size medium. It's nice and oversized, and the shorts feel nice and comfortable and like very thick material. So that's cool. I am interested to see how it washes though, because some people said like once they washed it, the, what is it, 30 years logo came off. So we'll see how it does when I wash it. But if you got this set, comment down below like if you washed it, what happened, that type of thing, you know, if you have. But yeah, next set we're gonna try on is the His Loss Apparel, which this is by the Girls Bathroom podcast. If you know them, it's Chinsia and Sophia's like podcasts or YouTubers here. So we're gonna go ahead and try this His Loss set on, which is super cute, and I got it in like the nude shade. So let's try this on. Okay, next we have the His Loss sweater and joggers combo. I got the joggers in a size medium, sweater in a size large. Y'all, I had to wait till like 3 a.m. to get this. Well, not wait, but I woke up at 3 a.m. to get this because I really wanted it, and it's so comfy and soft. It was worth it. Like, Chinty and Sophia, props to you. But yeah, I really, really love this jogger set. Like, I just think it's so cute, and like, you know, His Loss to whomever, you know what I'm saying? Past bays, new bays, whoever, but like, His Loss, it's so cute. It's really soft. I love the like nude with the big like kind of varsity lettering here. So this is a His Loss set by the Girls Bathroom merch. Super cute, really comfortable. It has like the hood here and everything, and it's just like a nice nude set. So this is super cute. It was worth me waking up at 3 a.m. Speaking of cute sets, the next set I got is called like the Comfee. It's Comfee by itself, so it has a crew neck and like these straight leg joggers or sweatpants, so it's super cute. Yeah, it's Comfee by itself, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this set on and show you all what it looks like. So we're trying on the Comfee set right now, which, you guys, this set is literally so nice. So I love this crew neck because it's really like oversized. Like a lot of crew neck sweaters, the sleeves are just like overly oversized, which is honestly really, really nice. So this crew neck, I believe, is in a size medium, and the pants are also in a size medium. So what I love is like it says Comfy here, which kind of reminds me of like coffee, so that's why I got them. But yeah, it's like just nice and oversized, and honestly so comfy. Like the name says, it definitely is comfy. So I'd recommend getting this set if you want like a comfy like gray. I think they have a vanilla set they're gonna restock soon, and they're coming out with a black. So super comfy, legit, like so nice. And it's by Solve, who I think is like an Instagrammer. I didn't know her before, but I found this brand through Amy Fuchsia, who's like a fashion blogger. So I saw she was wearing this and I was like, I gotta have it because I love her style. And this set is honestly to die. So cute, so nice, and definitely need this comfy set in your life. The next set is from Prettylittlething. So this is, it said it's chocolate, but it looks more like a charcoal gray to me, to BH. But yeah, I got this, and I saw Sarah wearing it. Sarah, is it Ashcroft? She was wearing this. It's by PLT Sport. So I got a jogger and crew neck set. The joggers are in size medium, and the crew neck, I believe I got in a size large. So yeah, I'm gonna try this cute set on and show y'all what it looks like. Here is the PLT set. So it says chocolate, but like I said, it's more of like a charcoal color in my opinion. Like it's more charcoaly. But yeah, the joggers, I got them in a size medium. They seem quite oversized though. I know they're like the oversized jogger. Then I got the crew neck, which says oversized, but I got it in large, and I feel like it's not that oversized. So I feel like the joggers are definitely more oversized than the crew neck. It feels pretty soft. The joggers, like, they are pretty soft. I do like how it's like oversized overall, like even in like going down the leg, it seemed pretty oversized. And then this is the top. So I feel like it's just casual, comfy, easy to wear and throw on. The next sets we are going to talk about are the SLA sets. So I got the angel number set. I got the black and the tan because I honestly couldn't choose which one I wanted. So I got on the restock right away. So I'm going to show you all what those look like, and I'm so excited because they look so cute and I haven't tried them on yet. So we're going to try those on next. Okay, we got the SLA set on. So the true star of this set is the back. So I'm gonna show you, it has like the angel numbers. Also, don't mind my hair. I had this hair clip in, but I took it out.
they were fake?
Of course they were fake!
So if you're like, why did her hair shrink? That is why. So yeah, the back is like what we want. It's the angel numbers. I feel like I bought this set because like I'm really trying to feel good vibes in 2021. So I bought this set because I was like, you know what? I want to have the good vibes. I want them all around me. So yeah, this is the nude set. I got the bottoms in a size small, top in a size medium. I loved how oversized the sweater is for medium. And then the joggers are also like a boyfriend slash like oversized jogger. So yeah, this is a tan SLA The Label angel number set. So cute. It sold out like so fast, but definitely worth the purchase. So let's try the black one on now. Okay, we got the black SLA angel number set. So again, it has like the cool angel numbers on the back. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes all around. And then it has the SLA up here, which sorry, I didn't show you on the last one, but it has SLA up here. And then also on the pants, it says SLA, and then it says established in 2019. So this is the SLA angel set in black, super cute again. I got the hoodie in a medium, which is nice and oversized. We got the joggers in a size small, which fit like snug on my waist, but not like super overly tight. But yeah, this is black set, super cute. I feel like I have some black hoodies, but they all are kind of like washed or worn looking now. So this one is nice and fresh and just like clean look. So yeah, this is the SLA angel number set, super cute. I really, really love it. So the last, but certainly not least, last piece we got today is by whitefox Boutique. So this one is actually chocolate brown. I got this chocolate brown set, which I saw, it was like Desi Perkins was wearing it in a video, and I got obsessed. Oh, one of them came in this bag, I think because the plastic was broken. But yeah, it's a super cute chocolate brown like plush crew neck with their shorts. So I've never tried the whitefox Boutique like sweatsuits ever, but I heard like really good things. I feel like a lot of YouTubers wear them. So yeah, this is like actually chocolate brown. So we're gonna try this set on, and that's the last one that we got today. So let's try it on. Hi friends. Okay, we got the last set on. We got this chocolate brown set. Wait, what is this? This whitefox bag. Okay, we got the chocolate brown whitefox set that says Calabasas up here, and then it says established in 2013, whitefox, Los Angeles. This set, you guys, I've tried on a lot of sets today, as you saw. Honestly, the quality of this crew neck, so nice, and like the whitefox shorts, like I heard good things, but like, you know, you gotta try it on first. I really love this set. Like I love chocolate brown, you know, chocolate brown vibes. The brown vibes this season have just been off the chain. And then this crew neck is so soft, and the shorts are really, really soft too. Like I really like it. And this is whitefox here, and I love how it's embroidered. I feel like embroidered things make it look like a little bit nicer. Honestly, this set is like 10 out of 10. I definitely love it. I feel like it would be a cute like summer night set, like kind of chill, but you have like the shorts so you're like slightly exposed. But I really like it. I like the detail. I like the set. I like everything about this. This is so cute. It might be one of my favorite pieces I tried on today. Comment down below what your favorite set was, what your favorite look was from today, from the haul. I would love to know. Let me know, you know, what you're feeling in today's haul. That was all of the pieces. I hope that you enjoyed this loungewear haul of cute loungewear. You know what I'm saying? We love a good set. We love a good lounge set. We want to be cute and comfy. That is a vibe. So I hope that you like the set. Comment down below what your favorite set was. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, join the Shell Squad if you'd like, turn on post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. You know, if you're feeling my vibe. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. I'll see you all next time. Bye.